Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to change your profile picture on TikTok. Very simple and easy to do. So you just want to open up TikTok. Once you're on TikTok, you just want to go to the Me tab in the bottom right of your page. Now, this shouldn't change anytime soon, but it might change into the future a little bit, but it might still be the same. But I will update this video if it does update and change. Anyhow, once you're on here, all you want to do is click on your profile picture at the top of your screen. Then you should see a little pencil beside your profile picture. You just want to click on that. Then it'll bring you to your photos, so you just go ahead and click on anything that you would like. Then you have to crop it out here, so you just have to click and drag and decide where you want to crop it out. Once you've done that, so you can just click on Save at the bottom. And then as you see at the top, it is then saved for me on my TikTok page, and then you guys can go ahead and go back to home, and that should change for you right away. Anyways, I really hope I helped you guys out with showing you guys how to change your profile picture on TikTok. If this video did help you out, be sure to leave a like on it and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.